ओ गॉड, जया बच्चन फिर से न्यूज में है अपने गुस्से को लेकर, एंड दिस टाइम इन पार्लियामेंट।
श्रीमती जया अमिताभ बच्चन जी, प्लीज।
सर सिर्फ जया बच्चन बोलते तो काफी हो जाता।
यहाँ पूरा नाम लिखा था इसलिए मैंने रिपीट किया।
ये जो है कुछ नया
श्रीमती
तरीका
जया जी।
निकला है कि महिलाएं जो है अपने पति के नाम से जानी जाएंगी, उनका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है।
क्योंकि यहाँ नाम दर्ज है।
नहीं सर,
इसलिए मैंने कहा
उनकी कोई उपलब्धि नहीं है अपने में और अस्तित्व नहीं
आपकी
है।
बड़ी विशिष्ट
तो ये
उपलब्धि
जो
है
नया शुरू हुआ है।
So the scene was like this. Jaya Bachchan was addressed in parliament as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. Now, Jaya ji did not like this at all. She was like, ये क्या है? Why are you taking my full name? और स्पीकर भी काम रहे. He calmly replied, अरे भाई जो डॉक्यूमेंट में लिखा था वही पढ़ दिया. And then Jaya Bachchan started questioning the regressive approach of society. She was questioning why women can't be recognized without their husband's name. Sure, she highlighted a real issue, but her dramatic outburst left everyone stunned. You know the dramatic Jaya Bachchan as she is. Let's not forget, Jaya Bachchan has been in the industry for over 40 years. She had an outstanding career, no doubt. But really, does she need to throw a fit every time? From her acting day to her political career, Jaya has always been a force to be reckoned with. But her temper seems to be stealing the spotlight these days. Be it how she behaves with paparazzi, be it how she is acting throughout. It's quite arrogant and not everybody likes it. And she has been known as drama queen for this nature. And recently, Jaya Bachchan also did not hold back on Budget 2024 either. When asked for her reaction, she called it a drama.
I have no reaction. ये कोई बजट है रिएक्शन करने वाला? कुछ नहीं. This is just a drama. It's promises which will be kept in the paper will not be implemented. That's it.
She said that budget isn't even worthy of a reaction, and surprisingly, many people agreed with her dramatic assessment. So, जया बच्चन कभी कभी पॉइंट्स तो ठीक उठाती है, लेकिन आई गेस उनके बोलने का तरीका थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं होता है. She needs to work on it.